Soipantuya Waziri Migosi. When you go back to Nairobi, I want you to tell our president that he has vindicated us. Those of us who support this government, we have been vindicated. Most people thought that this is not a reality. It is 13 years down the line since they said that there will be a university here. But courtesy of our president, Dr. William Ruto, this university is now a reality. And we know that this area will be transformed socially, economically, and in terms of education. We know that these roads that are here are going to be tarmacked because of this university. These people who are here, Inachetari Tangani, Togachana William Ruto, Togatebe University, Gochakiragaiga. Togacheria Kamere, no Waziri Migosi, no more PS or Defense, PS Mariro. Togatebanga University, Tuachire Kobanga, Echake Kwagachu. Rero, Munatorega Iga, Ntagetenga Kere, Abando Bakiaba Nyoru, Nakeromo Chumbe Yamoko, Nakeraba Chumbe Banyamira, Omomina Jerusha, Omoeshimiwa Steve Mogaka, Naba Waziri Waitombu Yamono, Esengencho, Rero, University Erituare, Togo Kuana, Gochakere Ritubariarero. Naende Totagata Gotaiga, University William Ruto Atoile, Didiego